So this is how I prepare for a client. We're at the start of a brand new day, and it's literally 2 in the afternoon. But okay, so what I like to do is I like to make sure I have a towel, cape, have the whole drape set up right here on the chair at the start of a new service, a fresh service. All right. So I know I have that set up. I like to go ahead and prep with my tools out. As a beauty professional, you should always have your preparation set up before your client arrives. Before you do the consultation, before you greet the client, you should already know what they're getting, how you're going to set up, and so on and so forth. Most of the time, if the client is not sure of what they want and you have to go into a consultation, you still want to be able to have the basics set up. Okay, you know you're going to need a comb, you know you're going to need clips, you know you're going to need brushes, so you want to have these basic things out. Now, since I am doing a thorough consultation to begin with, we're going to go microscopic today. I'm going to actually pull out my microscopic camera lens, my combs, clips, cape, towel, all of that as my setup, including my sanitizer to start with. Shout out to my nail tag. That's Solex. Okay, she got me together before I actually take a client. So I'm going to be wearing gloves today with everything that I do and touch. I have to clean my steamer, the reservoir that holds the water. So I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on before I cleanse this and before my client gets here. All right, as you can see, I got my gloves on and I also have on my apron. So every professional, if you are a professional, you might want to put this on at the start of your day. If you know you're going to be going in with a scalp analysis, a scalp consultation, protect your wardrobe. It's necessary. Even if you feel like you're in uniform for the day, I kind of always go with this when I'm doing like a chemical service or when I know I'm going to be treating someone's hair and their scalp for the day. And shout out to my client who actually gifted this to me. I love it and I wear it a lot. So
3 hours later.
So as you can see with her hair, we did an analysis and we assessed the damage that was going on. Further move toward goals, talking about what she'd like to see further down the line for her hair, long-term care for her hair, and we talked up some good regimen plans. What we did discover was that she did have the heat damage there, so we did need to treat her hair. So we also did a scalp detox treatment from damaged, overly processed hair to doing a big chop. She decided to wear it naturally curly.